हेलो।
Hello.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
So we have to do the problems on division by T property, right?
यस सर।
Yesterday we already proved problems on division by T. So the problems are lengthy problem here. This is easy but lengthy. So according to the yesterday's statement, what is the statement? L of f of t is equal to f bar of s. Then Laplace of f of t by t is equal to integral s to infinity f bar of s ds. Means when dividing with the t for f of t, in our answer we have to integrate that answer with respect to s from s to infinity. So this
यस सर।
question is given so many times in exam. Look at evaluate Laplace of integral 0 to t. Integral property का question भी आता
हाँ, पलंग के नीचे निकल चॉकलेट। कौन सी? हाँ हाँ, वो चॉकलेट ही कर बात। सॉरी सर।
है। Integral 0 to t cos at minus cos bt yt. Integral cos at minus cos bt by t. Okay. So this
यस
one we
सर।
have to integrate and we have to find out the Laplace transform of this one. So I think before that I should go for some more questions. Here some questions are also looking here. कुछ अलग क्वेश्चन भी दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो अपने को इसको पहले वो करना पड़ेगा। मुझे इंटीग्रल प्रॉपर्टी भी नहीं बताया मैम।
हाँ
ठीक
सर।
है, तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं अभी दूसरा करें। इंटीग्रल प्रॉपर्टी भी मालूम है तो फिर वी कैन गो फॉर दिस। बेटर टू गो दिस वन। लैप्लास ऑफ sin square t by t, right? This one is
यस।
division by t property. Now when finding the solution of this one, first of all what we have to do, tell me? We have to take the Laplace transform of sin square t, right?
यस सर।
What's the answer?
इट इज a by s square plus
No square
1
term, we
by
don't have the formula. We have to use sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. For square term, we don't have any formula.
yes sir, yes, sin theta and sin h theta we don't have for square. Yes.
This one actually we are using sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Trigonometry I am using here. Okay?
Yes.
Because for the
Yes.
square term, so we don't have any formula. We don't have any
Yes.
integration formula and Laplace formula for the square terms. So what we can take 1 by 2 we can take outside. Then we apply Laplace individually for 1. Okay? Minus Laplace individually for cos 2t. Now you can say the answer. What is the Laplace of 1?
Laplace of it is
1.
1 only.
Forget the formula. It is 1 by x minus cos 2t x by s square plus
S
2
square
square is
plus
4.
4.
This is the actual Laplace transform of sin square t. Then after that, when applying division by t property, we have to mention by division of t property, by division of t property when dividing sin square t with sin square t with the t, sin square t divided with t. It means for this our answer, whatever it is, we have to integrate with respect to s from the limit s to infinity. So 1 by 2
Yes, sir.
anyhow outside constant term it is. So integral s to infinity
To infinity.
1 by s minus s by s square plus 4, s square plus 4, and then ds. With respect to s, we have to integrate. Now, just complete the answers and finish the problem. And here, your basic should be very strong when doing this type of problem. मतलब आपका जो इंटीग्रेशन वाला बेस है इंटरमीडिएट का, that should be very strong. That is Laplace of sin square t dividing with t. See how to integrate this type of questions. 1 by 2 is there outside, let it be outside only. What is the integration of 1 by s? What is the integration of 1 by s? Remember the formula? You don't know? If you don't know, tell me, write it here.
I don't remember, sir.
Integration of 1 by x dx is equals to log x. Integration of
Yes.
1 by x dx is log x plus some constant.
Yes.
Similarly, one more formula I am using here, integration of f of x, f dash of x dx is equals to log of f of x. When differentiation of denominator is numerator, then we can write the answer will be log of denominator. This concept we are using here, I'll tell you where. 1 by 2 outside only. No, 1 by x is log s,
Log s.
log s minus. Then for this term, what I want to do it here is multiply and divide by 2. Multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Why? What is
Okay.
the reason behind it? 1 by 2, you will get it as it is. Look at, differentiate the denominator. S square plus 4.
S
What is the
square.
differentiation of s square plus 4 differentiation? Is
S.
2s.
Yes.
And derivative of constant is 0. इसका मतलब है डिनोमिनेटर को डिफरेंशिएट करे तो कंप्लीट न्यूमरेटर आ रहा दिखे इसके अंदर.
Oh, हाँ. Yes, sir.
Keeping 1 by 2 outside, we write it as log of s square plus 4, like that. This
Yes.
formula we use here, second formula. And their limits are s to infinity. Their limits are s to infinity. Now again, further simplification is very, very important. 1 by 2 will be there outside, let it be outside only. This 1 by 2 also, we want to take it outside, this 1 by 2. If I am taking this 1 by 2 outside, this will come outside, 1 by 2 outside, and here it is become 2 log s. Correct?
Yes, sir.
अगर कुछ कंफ्यूजन है तो बोलिए, मैं फिर से एक और स्टेप करके बताऊंगा. 2 and 2
हाँ, एक
cancel,
और
you will
बोलिए
get.
सर. बोलिए सर.
Okay, let it be, do it one more step, you can understand better. This is equals to just 1 by 2 जो बाहर है वो रहने दीजिए, बाहर ही रहने. इसको भी अपन क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई 2 करेंगे. 1 by 2 into 2 log x minus 1 by 2 log of s square plus 4, and their limits are s to infinity. राइट? अब देखिए 1 by 2 आउटसाइड आ सकता है ना.
यस.
अच्छा, आप ये बोलेंगे सर अपन डायरेक्ट लिमिट अप्लाई करके काम खत्म कर देंगे, ये सब इतना क्यों कर रहे हैं? ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन अराइज होता ना.
हाँ सर.
अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट कर देंगे, 1 by 2 कॉमन क्यों ले रहे? यू सी हियर, व्हेन अप्लाइंग द लिमिट अपर लिमिट एज इंफिनिटी, द ओवरऑल आंसर विल बिकम इंफिनिटी. कोई भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर इंफिनिटी नहीं हो सकता.
ओके.
जब भी
ओके
इंफिनिटी
सर.
आएगा ना तो केयरफुल रहना है आपको, बहुत केयरफुल रह के सिंप्लीफाई करना है. So 1 by 2
Okay,
already 1 by 2 outside. We are taking 1 by 2 one more time outside. So 1 by 4 outside.
1 by 4.
So this 1 by 2 already outside. 2 log s. 2 log s can be written as log s square now.
Yes, square. Yes,
N
sir.
log x can be written as log x to the power of n. Minus
Yes,
this
sir.
1 by 2 already outside. We have taken log of s square plus 4. And their limits are from s to infinity. This is equals to 1 by 4. This is log a minus log b. It is log a by b. Log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. Their
By
limits
B.
are
Yes.
s to infinity. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, applying the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. अब अपर लिमिट जो अप्लाई कर रहे हैं वो भी जरा केयरफुल करना है जरा देखिए. दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 1 by 2 into applying the limit infinity for this term. तो कैसा अप्लाई कर? Open the bracket. We should not apply the limit directly. We can write like this: limit s tends to infinity log of s square by s square plus 4. Actually, this is our upper limit. This is our UL value, upper limit. Lower
Yes.
limit, lower limit में क्या करना है? इसकी जगह पे s ही रखना है. So then lower limit is, if you put in place of s only, nothing will happen. S square by s square plus 4. This is
Yes,
no
sir.
change. This is LL, lower limit. Understood? And now here
Yes.
also we can't apply directly. तो फिर से और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. 1 by 4 into limit s tends to infinity log of numerator s square as it is. Denominator, what I am doing, what actually we are doing is, for numerator and denominator we are dividing with s square. Numerator and denominator ये पूरे के पूरे टर्म को s square से डिवाइड करें. S square divided with
Okay.
s square becomes 1. Here s square divided by s square becomes 1 plus 4 by s square. Correct?
Yes.
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 Minus lower limit we are not going to change. So it must be as it is.
Log s square by s square plus 4.
Plus 4. This bracket will be closed. Now as s tends to infinity, you know the rule of infinity? When applying limit as s tends to infinity, its reciprocal term, that is 1 by s tends to 0. We are taking reciprocal on both sides. Limit का rule है s tends to infinity, इसका reverse reciprocal apply करना. 1 by s tends to 0. तो ये जो टर्म है 4 by s वाला, ये वाला टर्म आपका 0 है. इसके लिए इतना डिटेल में कर रहे हैं.
Yes. Okay.
1 by s 0, 1 by s square 0, 1 by s cube 0, 1 by
Yes.
फॉर्म आते कि 0. तो मतलब if this part will become 0, what is left of? Tell me.
1 by 1, which is 1 log.
Log 1 value is 0. Do you know that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
कैलकुलेटर में भी आप कर सकते हो. Log 1 is left off. Log 1 is 0 minus
Minus
log of
s
s
square
square by
by
s square plus 4. In some
Yes.
cases you can leave your answer here only, but if your basics are strong, you can move on to the next step. Minus log of a by b can be written as log of b by a, means s square plus 4
plus
by s.
by s.
सभी लिख सकते हैं आप. This is your answer. Final. Understood? This is your final answer.
Yes. Yes.
थोड़ा फैकल्टीज इसको एस स्क्वायर प्लस एस स्क्वायर डिवाइड करके 1 plus 4 by s square भी लिखते. दैट इज नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज
Okay.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डिवीजन बाय टी प्रॉपर्टीज से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन जो है वो बड़े भी रहते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट भी रहते हैं. पहले बोला मैं आप.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है ना? सो डिवीजन बाय टी प्रॉपर्टी वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग. आई थिंक आई शुड गो फॉर वन मोर क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir.
ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज. and the question is find or evaluate Laplace of e power minus t sin t by t। अब मुझे देख के आप ही बोले कितने प्रॉपर्टीज मर्ज करके दिया है sin t divided by t। How many properties are given?
Multiplication and division by t properties.
Multiplication कहाँ पर है बताइए? That is the first
Exponential
shifting.
into
First shift
oh,
e power minus t means it is the first shifting theorem.
okay, sir.
Now we find out first of all Laplace of sin t. What's the answer? आप कंफ्यूज हो जा रहे हैं ऐसा दिख रहा है मुझे।
नहीं हो रही सर, जब से पढ़ रही थी तो थोड़ा स्लो हो गई। इट इज 1/s
S
स्क्वायर
square
प्लस
plus
1।
1.
जी,
Okay.
नहीं कंफ्यूज नहीं हो
Then
रही, जब से मैं बीटा गामा फंक्शंस पढ़ रही थी तो
okay. Then
अह,
first of all I am going to apply by division of t property Laplace of sin t divided by t is equals to what happened to this one? If I am dividing here with t, what happened to this result? Tell me. This answer we have to integrate between the limit s to infinity. Okay, now with respect to
okay,
s square plus actually 1 square is there. If you write 1 square that is well and good. ds समझ में आया ना? डिवीजन बाय टी प्रॉपर्टी का मतलब जो भी आंसर आया एलिमेंट्री फंक्शन का उसको s to infinity में इंटीग्रेट कर। व्हाट इज द
okay, sir.
आंसर ऑफ दिस वन? से पहले भी करे थे आपको याद है tan इनवर्स ऑफ s,
Yes, sir.
their limits are s to infinity। Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
apply upper limit tan inverse of fully tan inverse of
tan
infinity
इनवर्स ऑफ इन्फिनिटी
tan
है तो
inverse
s
of
टेन टू इन्फिनिटी। ओ नहीं, यहाँ ले सकते, tan इनवर्स में वैल्यू आ जाती ना, राइट? माइनस
tan inverse of
tan
s।
इनवर्स ऑफ s।
This is tan inverse of pi infinity value is pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s. But this value is nothing but what? Cot inverse of s, right? This
Yes,
is
sir.
the value of Laplace of sin t divided by t. Now finally, when applying by first shifting theorem, by first shifting theorem, Laplace of e power minus t sin t divided by t is equal to where is the change? Cot inverse of s is there as it is. Where is the change?
By t.
Where s is changes to s plus 1। वही है ना रूल शिफ्टिंग का?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Cot inverse of s will be changes to s plus 1 and that is your answer।
Yes.
देख लीजिए एक बार अच्छे से
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि स्टेप में कहीं डाउट है आस्क मी नाउ।
नहीं है डाउट।
नो डाउट।
क्लियर है सर। यस।
Now if you understand then I can move on to the derivative property of Laplace transform। Okay, Derivative property of
Okay.
Laplace transform we can do it. Then
Okay, sir.
next page, derivative integral properties. Both we have to discuss. Derivative property of derivative property of Laplace transform. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the statement say? If L of f of t is equal to f bar of x, which is common for all these properties, then Laplace of f dash of t, Laplace of f dash of t is equal to s into f bar of x minus f of 0. एक मिनट हाँ.
Okay, sir.
This is also can be written as s into f bar of s value. We know that it is equal to f of t. Question में भी है minus f of 0. Okay. This is
Okay,
the
sir.
statement
Okay.
of
Derivative property.
yes
of
derivative property of
Laplace.
Laplace transform.
Yes, sir.
सुनो इधर आओ. Now see here the proof. Proof is which one we have to use it to prove? Tell me.
Definition of
Exactly.
Laplace transform.
Exactly. Everywhere we are using the definition only. By
Yes, sir.
definition of Laplace transform. That definition is L of f of
F
t
of
is equal
t
to
is equal to 0 to infinity
integral 0 to infinity
e power minus st into f of t dt.
e power minus st f of t dt. Okay. Now we are going to prove f dash of t value. So simply wherever f of t is there, you have to replace with f dash of t. Dash means what?
Okay. Derivative.
Yes, exactly. 0 to infinity
0 to infinity
e power
e power minus
minus
st
st
f
f
dash of
dash
t
of
dt.
t dt. Okay. Now we have to integrate this one. So here I want to apply by parts formula, integration by parts formula. Already we used so many times. Still I want to use it. But यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा changes करना पड़ता है by parts formula में. We have to take this function as u. This one e power minus st थोड़ा reverse way में करना पड़ता है. This is u and this is v. If you want, I'll write the formula here. Do you want?
Yes, sir.
Still, we have discussed before also, no? भूल जा
Yes,
रहे हैं बार बार.
याद कर लीजिए सर. डेरिवेटिव.
Integration
Yeah.
uv dx. is equals to u integral VDX minus integral of d by dx of u integral VDX whole dx. This is the formula. Okay, applying this formula. First of all,
Yes.
u as it is means which
Yes.
one as it is?
E power minus st.
Exactly. Is equal to e power minus st as it is. Okay. Now
Integral.
integral of f dash of t. क्या होता बोलिए? Integral of f dash of t. Integration and differentiation is cancel now. They are anti-derivative.
Yes.
कभी भी डेरिवेटिव
Yes.
और इंटीग्रेशन एक साथ आ गए तो कैंसिल हो जाता. So this
So
dash
f
will be
dash
cancelled. Only f of t
f
is
of
left,
t.
and their
Yes.
limits are
0 to infinity.
0 to infinity minus under the integral of derivative of the first term means e power minus st का derivative e power minus st into minus s, because we are differentiating with respect to t, so t का
Yes.
coefficient minus s होता. ठीक है.
Yes.
And now integration of
Yes.
this term is again f of t only, right?
Yes, sir.
Then dt final.
Whole dt. Yeah, whole
Correct?
dt. Yes,
First
sir.
term integration of second term minus integral derivative of first term integration of second.
Yes, sir.
अब यहाँ पे
Yes.
dt है बोल के वो लिमिट्स as it is. Now apply here the
Yes.
limits. Apply here the limits. Upper limit minus lower limit.
Lower limit.
Tell me what happened. This is we are finding the Laplace of f dash of t value is equals to now upper limit. What happened? E power minus infinity, that is 0. 0 to anything is 0. Lower limit.
Yes.
Lower limit देखिए.
Limit is
E power
0.
0
E
is
power
1.
0, which is 1. Yes.
E power 0 is
Which
1.
is f of
And
t.
f of t की प्लेस पे 0 रखे. f of 0.
Yes.
f of 0
So
यहाँ
1
पे एक चीज
into
याद
0.
रखें. यहाँ पे ये Laplace transform of the derivative property में always we have to use this condition. f of 0 is equal to 0. ओके.
Okay.
यहाँ पे पहले
Okay.
ये मतलब सॉरी डेरिवेटिव के स्टेटमेंट में से वो वेयर एफ ऑफ 0 इज इक्वल टू 0 मैं लिखना भूल गया. वेयर बोल
Okay,
के यहाँ
sir.
पे ऐसा मेंशन करे हुआ ये मैं नहीं लिखा, सॉरी फॉर दैट. स्टेटमेंट में से
Okay.
वो वेयर
F of 0 is equals to 0.
एफ ऑफ 0 इज इक्वल टू 0 ऑलरेडी मेंशन हियर इन द स्टेटमेंट ओनली.
Okay, sir.
So when lower limit f of 0 is 0, so upper limit and lower limit in both we are getting 0 only. And now you see integration with respect to t means there is no use of s. Pulled it out. Minus into minus plus s will be outside. Then what is
Yes,
left
sir.
here? Laplace of, sorry, not Laplace of, क्या बचा वहाँ पे?
E
Integral
power minus integral
0
of
to
0
infinity
to infinity e
e
power
power
minus
minus st f of
into
t
f
f of
into
t
dt.
dt. But what is this value by definition?
It is the same.
Yes, s as it is. By definition, this value is what?
It is Laplace. It is a different f of t.
एक मिनट रुकिए, मैं यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा डिटेल में बता दूँ. कंफ्यूजन पूरा ही. हाँ, यहाँ पे मेंशन करेंगे पहले. Where f of 0 means f of 0 limit t tends to 0 f of t. ये इसका मीनिंग. ठीक है ना. अब कंटिन्यू करें एक बार. लुक, अपर लिमिट हो गया 0 माइनस लोअर लिमिट मीन्स we have to put in place of t 0, e power 0 is 1, lower limit में इसको f of 0 को f of 0 ही लेना, right? बाद में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम में करेंगे upper limit minus lower limit, minus into minus plus s will be outside, and this is what 0 to infinity. समझ में आ रहा, कुछ कंफ्यूजन है? e power minus ft, any doubt? Any doubt?
No,
Hello?
sir, no doubt. No,
Upper
sir, no
limit,
doubt.
I am not putting that f of 0 value is 0, I am keeping as it is. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
so this is equals to, first I will write see minus f of 0 as it is, plus even s also as it is. What is this value by definition? Either you can use it as L of f of t or f bar of s, both are same now.
Yes, sir.
F bar of s. Now this we have to write the positive value first, s into f bar of s minus f of 0. We proved the Laplace transform derivative of it.
Yes, sir.
अब एक बार देखिए थोड़ा सा,
Yes, sir. Done, sir. No doubts. Yeah, पर आप इनिशियली बोले थे कि f of 0 is equals to 0. फिर यहाँ पे अपन f of 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं.
of 0 is equal to 0 है, but when doing the problem we use there. थ्योरम में नहीं,
Okay.
क्योंकि थ्योरम में आपको f of 0 की वैल्यू वहाँ पे रखना है.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, देखो आप थ्योरम में अपने को f of 0 वहाँ पे चाहिए, अगर आपने को नहीं चाहिए तो f of 0 0 रख देता हूँ ना मैं, बट प्रॉब्लम करते वक्त वो कंडीशन यूज करना है.
Okay,
चल
sir.
बारी
Got it.
बारी. अब इसके साथ एक और एक छोटी सी प्रॉपर्टी मर्ज हो रही, वो भी कर रहा हूँ अभी.
Okay, sir.
Suppose it is asking to find out f double dash of t value along with this, means this one. Sometimes double dash value also given like that, L of f double dash of t. This is equals to f double dash of t value s square f bar of s s into f bar of 0 minus f dash of 0. कभी कभी आपको इसके साथ साथ ये भी प्रूफ करो बोलते हैं डबल डैश के वैल्यू.
Okay, sir.
अब देखिए इसको प्रूफ करने के लिए थोड़ा सा लॉजिक यूज करना है फिर से. टू प्रूव दिस रिजल्ट, कैसा प्रूफ है देखिए इसका. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है आपको. पुट f dash of t, स्मॉल f dash of t को कैपिटल f of t से रिप्लेस करो. छोटा सा कंफ्यूजन का वाला स्टेप है ये. इसे देखिए f dash of t is equals to f of t where t.
Yes, sir.
राइट, अगर इसी का डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करें आप, मतलब एफ डबल डैश ऑफ टी वैल्यू, तो क्या होता है, विल गेट दिस आंसर इज कैपिटल एफ डैश ऑफ टी, राइट। दोनों साइड
Yes.
डेरिवेटिव कर, अब आइए ये रिजल्ट प्रूव करें। लैप्लास ऑफ एफ डबल डैश ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू लैप्लास ऑफ एफ डबल डैश ऑफ टी, ऑलरेडी वी नो दैट इट इज कैपिटल एफ डैश ऑफ, करेक्ट,
Yes.
इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी हमने एफ डैश ऑफ स्मॉल टी का रिजल्ट प्रूव करें,
Yes, sir.
वो यूज करेंगे, थोड़ी टर्मिनोलॉजी चेंज कर, कैसा, ये एस एज इट इज, एफ बार ऑफ एस को अपन एल ऑफ एफ ऑफ टी भी लिख सकते हैं ना,
Yes, sir.
एल ऑफ एफ ऑफ टी इन कैपिटल एफ माइनस एफ ऑफ जीरो, एनी डाउट,
No, sir.
this is equal to s as it is L of, what is the capital F of t is equal to
F dash of T.
f dash of t minus, if you put 0 in place of t, if you put 0, what is the capital F of 0 value you will get, f dash of 0, correct। इसी में t की प्लेस पे 0 रखिए बस, यहाँ पर 0 तो यहाँ भी 0 आ जाए, करेक्ट है, एनी डाउट, समझ में आया स्टेप, ये f of 0 is f dash of 0 here we have to put t value 0, we get t value, now use this above definition, s into f bar of s minus f of 0, this one close it, minus f dash of 0, right, now multiply
Yes, sir.
s into s, what, tell me, s into s square f bar of s minus s into f of 0 minus f dash of 0, that is our result,
Yes, sir. Got it.
this is f double dash of t की वैल्यू, ये थोड़ा अच्छे से याद
Yes.
रख लीजिए, जब भी अपने एप्लीकेशन पार्ट करना रहेगा ना,
Okay, sir.
जब अपन यूज करेंगे, ठीक है, तो लैप्लास ऑफ
Okay.
डेरिवेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज ओवर इंटीग्रेशन प्रॉपर्टी करना है, ओके, आई एंड अप द मीटिंग, नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे, हाँ,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I think I'm started to wake up.